In today's video, I will walk you through how to use HDR Global Color Wheel in Filmora. Select your clip in the timeline and click it so it is active. Next, go to the right side panel, click Color, and open HDR Color Wheels, or HDR Color Correction depending on your version. Then find the HDR Global Wheel. Click the center dot of the global wheel and drag it toward the color you want. Drag toward blue for a cool cinematic overall tone, orange for a warm film or sunset vibe, purple for a stylized fantasy or neon mood, or green for an eerie or sci-fi atmosphere. This adjustment affects the entire image, including shadows, midtones, highlights, and specular, shaping the overall color mood of your video. This tool is best used for creating a unified cinematic color grade, gaming edits with a strong theme, quick stylistic looks without adjusting each wheel, and matching scenes with a consistent tone. Thank you for watching the video.